Hi crafters, this is Amy. Welcome to Cricut Basic How-Tos. Today I'm going to talk about another use for the flip button. In this example here, I cut out the saying life without music would be flat, and I cut it out of sticky vinyl. I like to do that because then it sticks better and I don't have to worry about gluing all of those letters. Now another way that I wanted to display the life without music would be flat would be in this example, and I just wanted to mount it on clear glass and use the wall color behind it to be the color. But I didn't want the sticky vinyl to be stuck on the top part of the glass, because then that would be harder to clean, because it's, the dust would be here. So what I did was I loaded this saying, and then I flipped it, and I actually cut it this way. So here I can feel the sticky vinyl here. So the sticky is actually on this side, and I stuck it to the glass and then put it in the frame and then hung it on the wall. And then as you can see, it can cause a shadow behind it if it's lit that way. So another cool way to use the flip button. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at salehandmadeproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.